If you've been scrolling through TikTok over the last few weeks, you might have noticed people climbing out their windows dressed in 1800s attire, lip-syncing to the music of Hamilton.
OK, well, the person who's responsible for it is sitting next to us. Before we speak to the girl whose video set the whole trend of people dressing up as Alexander Hamilton, let's take a look at the phenomenon.
Alexander, come back to sleep.
I have an early meeting out of town.
It's still dark outside.
I know. I just need to write something down.
Why do you write like you're running out of time? Shh. Come back to bed, that would be enough.
I'll be back before you know I'm gone.
Come back to sleep.
This meeting's at dawn.
Zoe Coyle, what have you started?
I don't know.
When we start showing that, you went like that.
Yeah.
So how often have you gone like that?
A lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
OK, for those who don't know, can you explain what that's all about?
So that's first Treasury Secretary of America, Alexander Hamilton, and in that song, he's leaving to go to the fatal duel between him and Aaron Burr. But if you listen to it without context, it kind of sounds like he just doesn't like his wife and he's trying to sneak out. So that's what I made the video of.
I mean, we've all been there. Do you know what I mean? But as someone who's been creating TikToks now for 4 or 5 years, it's every TikToker's dream to start a trend that's gone this viral. I mean, how did you get the inspiration? How did you have the idea to dress up as Alexander and climb out a window?
Well, I was dressed up as Hamilton because I was just really bored and I really liked the musical. So I was like, OK, I could probably put together this outfit with what I have around me. And then I was like scrolling through TikTok looking for audios to use to make a video, and I came across that one and I remembered the idea I had of him like trying to sneak away from his wife, and I was like, OK, I'm going to make a video of this because it'll just be funny.
OK, where did you get the gear?
So the coat belongs to my nana. It's straight from her wardrobe.
OK.
And then I have toilet paper taped to my neck to make like the...
That's toilet paper?
Yeah.
Genius.
To make like the ruffle,
yeah.
You know? And my facial hair is actually not real. It's done with mascara.
Yeah, okay. Now we figured that one out.
I was going to say, you close shave today. OK.
Yeah.
OK.
Clean shave.
Brilliant. And where did you film this? What time? Was it late at night?
It was about 2:30 in the morning.
2:30 in the morning. And where were you?
I was in my nana's house, down in the bedroom, and there was a window right there. It looked climbable.
And was it just you in the room with the tripod, or what was it?
It was a stack of books on the bed and just me.
Do you know what? This resonates so well with me. You wouldn't believe some of the things I put my phone on to make a TikTok.
Really?
That we could sit here all day and talk about it. But us TikTokers, we have to adapt, don't we? We have to adapt.
Yeah, you certainly... this is just getting better and better as it goes along. Did anyone wake up while... Were there people out in the street? I mean, I'm just thinking of dogs that might start barking at you.
See, there was dogs barking at me, but it's like it was out in the countryside, so there was no one on the street, thank God.
Okay.
My nana was asleep in bed. She didn't wake up, thank God. Like, no one in my family really knew about it until, like, it had gotten big.
Okay, because if your grandmother walked in and you were dressed as a man climbing out the window, I imagine...
I'd have a bit of explaining to do
Oh,
there.
absolutely.
A bit of explaining to do.
Absolutely.
And you're doing it in her coat?
Yeah. You would wonder what's going on. I mean, so you posted the video. Your grandmother slept through the night, thank goodness. You woke up the next day and you've seen this going massively viral. How did it feel when you saw that people were recreating it?
At first, it just started getting a lot of likes, and I didn't think it would become a trend, but people started commenting saying, oh my God, we have to do this trend, we have to like recreate this. And I was like, okay. And I was like, I really wanted to see all the people's recreations, so I was like, tag me in your recreations, you know? And then I started like seeing like hundreds of people doing it. I tried to collect them all in a folder on TikTok, but there was just too many. I kept forgetting to, like there was thousands.
Yeah, I think we have some clips of people recreating the trend here now. We're going to have a look at them. I mean, people were just getting more and more creative.
It's still dark outside.
I know.
Oh God, there's me.
That's you.
Why do you write like you're running out of time? Come back to bed, that would be enough.
I'll be back before you know I'm gone.
Come back to sleep.
This meeting's at dawn.
I mean, other than obviously myself and Martin, we recreated this trend.
We did.
Oh yeah.
We had to jump on the bandwagon. Whatever's trending, me and Martin are involved.
Did you see our attempt?
I did.
Did you know she's not saying that?
Okay, you seem a bit reluctant to talk about it here. How impressive was it?
See, I'm a bit reluctant to talk about it because I thought it might have been a bit better than mine.
Ah, here we go. Look at this.
I have an early meeting out of town.
It's still dark outside.
I know.
That's as far as we could go.
That's as far as we go,
Yeah.
because we didn't want to embarrass you too much by stealing the limelight. What would you say is a standout one for you? Is there any you've seen that's really stayed with you?
There's one where this girl, she's actually like in a boat in a lake, like rowing away from the camera, and then there's this girl, she's like on a horse leaving, and I thought them ones were just like really creative. I really like those ones.
Okay, we didn't have the budget for that here in Ireland, unfortunately.
No. Let's talk about New York.
Oh yeah.
Because it's not just people recreating it, but the people at Hamilton, they saw what you had done and they invited you to New York.
Yeah.
So what was that experience like? Did you get to walk the red carpet?
I did get to walk the red carpet and it was crazy. There was like cameras flashing at me and I was like, guys, what is going on? But yeah, there was like so many amazing people there and I couldn't believe I was there with them. Like.
How did your parents react to all of this? I mean, you're 16 years old and your life has pretty much changed because of a 10-second TikTok.
See, I posted that TikTok on an account that my parents didn't follow. They didn't know it. They were just following my main normal account. Where I
Okay,
didn't
you
dress
had
up as
a little
founding
secret
father.
account. Okay.
Yeah. And see, they were just following my main account where I didn't dress up as a founding father. But about a week later, I text my mother and I was like, I'm gonna be famous on TikTok. And she checked my account that she followed and she was like, stop lying. And then I was like, no, and I sent her the link and I didn't want to send it to her because she's like sends things to everyone. And she did.
Mm-hmm. And she did. And she took her phone off her as well. What's this about a second account? Tell us, the cast of Hamilton, they actually recreated what you did as well.
Yeah. See, they brought like a prop window onto the red carpet. And a few of the cast members like Lin-Manuel Miranda and Philippa Sue, they made videos with it.
I have an early meeting out of town.
It's still dark outside.
I know. I just need to write something down.
Why do you write like you're running out of time? Come back to bed, that would be enough.
I'll be back before you know I'm gone.
Come back to sleep.
This meeting's at dawn.
I mean, what a flex. That's the cast of Hamilton. They're doing your TikTok.
Yeah.
How does that feel watching that?
I couldn't believe that they'd even seen it in the first place. Like, before the video got like really big, they had liked it, and I took a screenshot of the notification saying that they liked the video, and I posted it everywhere. And I was like, oh my god, guys, I'm actually freaking out because they seen my video. And then Lin-Manuel Miranda, he plays Hamilton, done it himself with his Madame Tussauds wax figure, and you should have seen how crazy it was for me. I was like actually freaking out over it.
I can imagine.
What's it been like in school?
Oh god. I think every teacher has seen it. Almost all of them. All of my friends have seen it. They're all calling me Ham now. And I know they're watching it now, probably laughing. But
not laughing, I'd say they're jealous because
Massively jealous.
Who wouldn't want to create a viral trend? You've been absolutely fantastic.
It's incredible for you, Zoe. The only way is up. And on it we'll go. It's a pleasure to meet you and congratulations.
thank you.
Huge
Great to be here.
congratulations.
You got a trip to New York as well.
Absolutely, I'm jealous. I want to start a trend. We and you need to start a trend, Martin.
That's what we need to do. We need Zoe to content create.
We're gonna talk now during the
will
break.
chat.
Zoe, thank you so much.
All
Thank you
right.
so much
Thanks
for joining
so much
us.
for having me.
No, we're delighted to have you on the show. Thank you for coming in.